In this video, you'll learn how to fix the focusing issue on your Google Pixel camera. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance the focus and clarity of your camera images effectively. Begin the process by inspecting the camera lens on your Pixel phone for any dirt, dust, or smudges. It is essential to ensure that the lens is clean, as any obstructions can impede the camera's ability to focus. Use a soft microfiber cloth to gently wipe the lens, taking care to avoid harsh materials that could potentially scratch its surface. A clean lens not only improves focus, but also enhances overall image clarity. Confirm that the camera area is completely free of obstructions before moving on. Next, completely close the camera app and then reopen it. This action can help resolve temporary software glitches that may be affecting the camera's focusing capabilities. To further refresh the system, consider restarting your phone. Ensure that no other applications are currently using the camera, as this could interfere with its performance. After restarting, test the camera once more to see if this simple step restores its normal functionality. After addressing the previous steps, check for any available system updates or camera app updates in the Play Store. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for fixing bugs that may affect camera performance. If updates are available, install them promptly. If the focusing issue persists even after updating, consider resetting the camera settings to their default configuration. Be cautious to avoid using damaged lenses or cases that could obstruct focus, as these can prevent the camera from functioning correctly. Once you have completed these steps, your Pixel camera should now focus correctly. It is a good practice to test the camera in various lighting conditions and distances to ensure consistent performance. If problems continue, further troubleshooting may be necessary, such as checking for hardware issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.